Hello, good morning Year 2, welcome. It's Friday the 19th of June 2020. It's time for phonics. And the first thing we're going to be doing today is building words with different spellings of the sound to see if we can recognise where those sound spellings are in the word, okay? Okay, so the first word that I want you to build, excuse me, is a 3-syllable word and it's animal, animal. And these are the sounds that you need. Okay, so say the sounds and build the word animal. Animal. And we say ne, ne, mo, or ne, mo, animal. Now I want you to underline the spelling in animal. Is it here? Listen carefully. Not here. Anim. It's the M spelling that we've got there. And that's one of our spellings that we know from before. Okay, so we'll go a little bit quicker now. So every time we have the sounds and you know what word you're building, I want you to pause and take as long as you need to build that word by saying and writing the sounds, okay? And check every time by reading the word back to yourself. Okay, the next word is a 2-syllable word again, and the word is comma, comma. So pause and have a try yourself. Okay, so we should have said ma, comma. And the spelling, we can see, is the 2-letter spelling, isn't it? Good job. Comma. 2 spellings, just one sound, as we know. Okay, the next word is 3 syllables, and the word is criminal. Criminal. Pause and have a try yourself, and then we'll come back together. Okay, so we can say cri, that's k, r, I, mi, that's I, no, a, u. Now cri, me, now criminal. Good. And we've got the M spelling of Don't forget to underline that when you've spotted the spelling. Okay. The next word is simmer. Simmer. 2 syllables. Have a go. Simmer. Okay, and we say si, ma, si, ma, simmer. And we've got the double M spelling again. Next word. This time, the word is, okay, match. Match. Like a match that you liked, or a football or hockey match. Match. Have a try? Okay, so let's see. We have match. Match. Okay, underline your spelling of You should have had the M. Now, how many letters are being used to spell the ch sound? Just check. That's right, it's these 3, the TCH spelling of ch. Good. Okay, what about this word? The word is thumb. Thumb. And these are the sounds that you need for thumb. Say the sounds and build the word. Off you go. And we can see that we've got th, Now we've got a new spelling of the sound there, haven't we? We've got the MB spelling, well spotted. So that's our third spelling of the sound for today. Can anyone tell me what one have we missed so far? There are 4 spellings that we've covered this week. The last one that we don't have here is, it's the MN spelling of Okay, the last word that we're going to build today is summer. Summer. Say the sounds and write the word summer. Okay, and we say sa, sa, summer. Good. Okay, so let's recap. We've got 4 different spellings, but just one sound, haven't we? Okay, now the next thing I want you to do is get your board clean, or get a new space to work, or a new piece of paper, wherever you're working, and you need 2 columns for this next part. However you can get those organised. So pause and just give yourself enough time to do that. And here's what we're going to do next. We're going to be looking at words that have one spelling, the same spelling, but it's 2 different sounds according to which word it's in, okay? Because we can have, as we know, one spelling but 2 different sounds. So I want you to read the word and I want you to tell me which column it goes in. Now we've got GH spelling a sound here. I'm not going to tell you which sound yet. And we've got GH spelling a different sound here. Okay, so the same spelling, but it's going to be 2 different sounds. Now the first word is going to be here. And what I want you to do is read the word after 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now I want you to write that word using the sounds into the first column. Okay, so pause and have a try. And we come back together, and what you should have said is a, g, a, s, t, a, g, a, s, t, aghast. So, in this word, there is a GH spelling, isn't there, that we're looking for. What sound is this in aghast? A, g. This is g. Okay? So, we have one spelling, one sound so far, and it's the g sound. What other sound could it be? Let's have a look. Let's see if we can read the next word and see what sound that spelling is being used with this time. Okay, so the word is 1, 2, 3. Cough. Okay? So, say the sounds and write the word into the second section. Pause to give yourself time, and we come back together. Okay, so I'm going to build the word into the next section. We say k, o, f, k, o, f. Remember, that's the sound that we're interested in. Now, what sound is this in cough? K, o, f, cough. This is f. So on this side, this is the f sound, but on this side, this is the g sound. G, f. Same spelling, but two different sounds, you see? So, let's see if we can fit some others into that table. We have the word 1, 2, 3. The word is enough. So say the sounds and write the word where you think it needs to go. Is it in this column or this column? Pause and over to you. Okay, let's come back together. Now we've got the f sound in enough, so it goes with cough. We say e, na, enough. And just check that that's a f sound in that word. Enough. It is. Good. So the next word is okay, 1, 2, 3. The word is Ghana. So will we write Ghana here or here? Over to you. Okay, let's come back together. We have Ghana. So we write it here with the GH spelling of the G sound. G, N, Ghana. The next word is 1, 2, 3. Ghost. So over to you. Where's that going to be in our table? Ghost. It's here, isn't it? It's the GH spelling of the G sound that time. G, O, S, T. Ghost. Okay, 1, 2, 3. The word is laugh. Okay, over to you. Decide where that needs to be. Okay, coming back together. It's the f sound, isn't it? It's oo, ah, laugh. Excuse me. So in this word, this is f. Okay, a few more. Let's have, yeah, okay, this word is 1, 2, and 3. The word is rough. Good. So over to you. Where will that need to be written? Rough. And we can see we've got rough with the f sound spelling, GH. Last one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. The word is ghastly. Good, so over to you. Where does that need to be written? Ghastly. And we can see that it's g, r, st, ghastly, ghastly, with the GH spelling of the g sound. So, the same spelling in all of those words, the GH spelling, but two different sounds, g and f. So what I want you to now do is, as you're rubbing out or as you're reading along with your finger, I want you to say the sounds to to read the word. Remember, if it's 2 letters with one sound, you put your finger or you rub out both letters as you say that sound, like this. A, g, a, st, aghast. Okay? And then we're ready for our sentence work to finish off. Make sure you're saying those sounds. Okay, so the last part of our day today is our sentence work. So we're looking for different spellings of the g sound, aren't we, this week in our spelling? So, my turn first. The sentence goes like this. She guessed it was a friendly ghost, so it didn't get to her too much. She guessed it was a friendly ghost, so it didn't get to her too much. Okay, our turn together. She guessed it was a friendly ghost, so it didn't get to her too much. Okay, try yourself. She guessed it was a friendly ghost, so it didn't get to her too much. Okay, let's start with the first clause before the conjunction. She guessed it was a friendly ghost. So pause and have a try, and then come back together, okay? Okay, we're back together. Let's have a look. She guessed it was a friendly ghost. So, capital letter. She guessed. G. E-S-D. She guessed. And I've got the G-U spelling of G in guessed. She guessed it was. She guessed it was a friendly. Friendly. She guessed it was a friendly ghost. G-O-S-T. G-O-S-T. And I've got the G-H spelling of G. She guessed it was a friendly ghost. So what? The next clause is, she guessed it was a friendly ghost, so it didn't get to her too much. 7 words. It didn't get to her too much. Have a try, and then we come back together. Okay, so let's see what we've got. So, it didn't get to her too much. It didn't didn't get get with the G spelling of the G sound, didn't get to her, to her, to, 2 different spellings of the U sound in to, didn't get to her too much. Stop mark. Okay, so let's read again. Let's check what we have. We have she guessed with the G-U spelling of G. It was a friendly ghost with the G-H spelling of G. So it didn't get with the G on its own spelling to her too much. Stop mark. Okay, and that is your phonics for the week, everybody. So, have a lovely weekend. I hope the sun's going to shine a little bit so we can get outside. And I'll see you back here on Monday. Okay? Have a great day.